Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee S40 and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. So to get started you want to hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off you want to hold down power key and volume up at the same time. So we'll do that right now, power and volume up. As you can see, this boots us into boot mode, so from here using only volume up, you want to navigate to the menu in order to select the first option, which is recovery mode, as you can see, and then press volume down to confirm it. And there we go. As you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. So from here you can now use both of the volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used now to confirm whatever is selected. That being said, from here you can either go back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which takes us back one step, apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data, wipe cache partition on system, view logs, and run tests, along with a simple power off. So like I mentioned, whatever you select, you will then confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with reboot system now, power, and this now takes me back to Android. And there we go, as you can see we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.